Hello people watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange juice, one serving of orange juice, and what you need is 3 oranges, one fruit or orange cutting knife, and one of these orange squeezer things, and 1 cup. First, you are going to cut all the oranges in half. I'm just going to start with these ones. And then you just push the orange down and turn. You can see how there are holes in here and it's coming into the bucket. Gotta remember to push down hard and squeeze it too. And you also should move it back and forth and in circles. And then when I'm done with an orange, then I just squeeze it to get all the extra juice out. Then I throw it in the trash. Okay, then here's the next orange. Make sure the white part is down on the top sharp part. When you drink it, you don't need to add any sugar or any more ingredients because it tastes sweet all by itself. Now I'll cut the next orange in half. And then do the exact same thing. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to pour it in. Well, the way that I like pouring it in so that it doesn't spill. It has this thing right here to pour it in, but I don't use that. And then when there are seeds, you just get the knife and move the seeds around and the juice will go through. Oh, look at all that juice. We still have 3 more halves. Kind of makes a lot of juice. But it looks like a lot of juice, but it makes a lot of it. Okay. It's already empty. I just want to squeeze it one more time. There we go. Okay. Last orange. This is making more juice than the last time I did it. It's kind of a lot. I cut it curved. Well, whatever. Looks like it's done already, but it's not. Ah, the seeds are blocking the holes again. If you are bored, something to do is subscribe and click the bell. There we go. And now here's our last orange half. Oh, that's a lot of orange juice. There's some seeds. Oh, the seeds clog it up a lot. We need to wash this thing now. Now, this is the way that I put the orange juice into the cup. Making a big mess. Look at all that. Oh, look at how much that thing makes. Yum. Bye-bye.